Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find stocks in play. First, understand that stocks in play are those experiencing significant price and volume changes, often driven by recent news or events. These movements create opportunities for traders. We'll cover key strategies to identify these active stocks, helping you make informed decisions. Stay tuned to learn how to spot these movers and shakers in the market. To identify stocks in play, focus on key indicators. Look for a substantial increase in trading volume, often 200% or more above average. Also, pay attention to pre-market activity, specifically stocks with price changes exceeding 5%. Tools like stock screeners and real-time financial news platforms are essential for filtering and tracking these potential movers. They provide the data you need quickly. News and catalysts are the primary drivers for stocks in play. Keep an eye out for breaking news, quarterly earnings reports, and analyst upgrades or downgrades. Significant corporate events like mergers, acquisitions, or regulatory approvals, such as those from the FDA, can also cause substantial price shifts. Regularly checking economic calendars for sector-specific announcements will help you anticipate these movements and react swiftly. For advanced tips, always confirm trends using several indicators before committing to a trade. Risk management is crucial. Implement stop-loss orders and carefully size your positions to protect your capital. Remember, even the most promising stocks carry risk. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's a smart way to keep things clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.